break. Teacher is writing on the blackboard. She is using a chalk. So here we have used a, and, the, again and. So these are called as articles. What are they have used in here? A and the. So here a and the are the articles. So among, we have written 3. We got 3 here. So 3 articles. Among this we got definite and indefinite articles. So which among this is a definite and indefinite we are going to see now. So there are 2 categories of articles, that is definite and indefinite articles. I'll give a statement. Based on that you have to say me which is the definite article and which is the indefinite article. The article which is used to point for a particular person, object or thing is called as definite article. So now can you say, children, which among this is used to point for a particular object, place or a thing? So the is the definite article. So we are using the. This is called as definite article, which is used to point for the particular thing, person or object. And what about indefinite? The remaining 2 are indefinite. Which are the remaining 2, children? A and an. A and an are the 2 indefinite articles, which is generally used for to say about a person, an object or a thing. This is for the particular things. This is a and an are used generally. So these are the 2 categories of articles, definite and indefinite. Indefinite, we are going to see the article the, and in indefinite, a and an are the 2 indefinite articles. So we are going to see it one by one now. So before going to this, we'll have a glance about this alphabets. So how many letters are there, children? We got 26 letters. So from A to Z if you count, you get 26 letters. So among this we got vowels and consonants. So how many vowels and consonants are there now, children? We have already learned in the grade 4, 3, 2 and 1. We have learned. So among this we got 5 vowels. So which all 5 vowels they are? A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowels and the remaining are consonants. So how many vowels are there, children? 5. In total we got 26 letters. So 5 are vowels and the remaining, how many are remaining, children? So the remaining are 26 minus 5, that is 21. So 21 consonants are there. So in total 26 letters. Among those 26, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. So coming back to this, indefinite articles. Indefinite article an. We use an, article an before the common noun. So now, what is noun, children? Noun can be a name of a place, animal, person or thing. Name, place, animal or thing. So we use indefinite article an before the common noun. So it is used for the singulars, like one thing, one object or one atom. So we are using it for the singular things. So singular comes under countable noun or uncountable noun, children? It comes under countable nouns because one can be counted. So indefinite article an is used before the common noun, which is used for the singulars. Only this is enough? No. An is an article used before the vowel sound. So what are the vowels? We have already said A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. So before this vowels. So an elephant. So can you give one more example? An ice cream. I is a vowel, so we are using the article and, that is indefinite article, before the vowel sound. That is I. Here you can see that I is a vowel, so we are using an article and. You can see many more examples. You have to not only the words which begin with the vowel sound, but sometimes what happens, the sounds will also differ. Even if a word starts with consonant but makes a vowel sound, we are using the article an. So I'll give an example with the vowel sound. See here. So I have taken two more examples. Are and honest. So here in this case, HO is pronounced as O. Here also HO is pronounced as O. Pronounce this word our. Honest. So here the word is starting with consonant, but it making the vowel sound, we are using the indefinite article, that is an. An hour and honest. So what we have learned here, the words which starts with a vowel will read directly an. But the thing here, the word starts with a consonant, but when you pronounce it, the word begins, when you sound it, the word begins with the vowel sound. So in that case also we are going to use the indefinite article, that is an. So now we are going to see the article A. A is indefinite or definite article, children. It's also indefinite articles. We use article a before the common nouns. As we already said, here also we are using the common nouns and before the singulars. Singular means it's countable or uncountable, children? It's countable. Singular means one, right? So countable. This we use article a before the common nouns, which are singular in numbers. Only that much is enough? No. So here also we are going to see some more examples. Simple. This is, here we have seen whenever the word starts with a vowel, we are going to write an. Here also we are going to see some examples. So shall I take the example here? A car. About. The words here starts with the consonant. So we are using the article A. But in this case also we got some examples like consonants. We are going to see I have taken a word utensil. So it starts with the vowels. Here, vowels. It starts with the vowel. But when you pronounce it, it will become U. So in such cases, we are going to use the article A. So what happened? Before the consonants, we are going to use the article A. But in some cases, rarely. Before, see, if you pronounce this word utensil, so I am pronouncing this as by U. So we are going to use the article A here. So we have seen the indefinite articles, that is an and A. So now we are going to see the definite article. Which is the definite article, children? D is the definite articles. So when we are using the article D, children, we use the definite article D when we talk about a particular person, place or thing. So in this indefinite articles, when we use this indefinite articles before the common nouns which are singular in write this? Yes. Now, plural, I'll write same thing. The books. Can I write this, children? Yes. Now, uncountable. The milk. The milk. So, what we have said? We use the definite article the before the. It may be a singular countable noun, it may be plural countable noun, or it may be the uncountable nouns. So, when we talk about a person or a thing, particularly, we are making use of definite articles. Can you tell some more examples, children? It can be used before the rivers. The rivers, the oceans, the holy books, we are using the definite article the. In whenever the river names are given, whenever the ocean names are given, if we are speaking about the holy books, we are going to use the definite article that is the. So, we have seen this topic, that is articles, two categories, definite and indefinite. Indefinite, we have seen the article the, indefinite, a and an. So, about the vowel sounds and consonant sounds we have seen in this indefinite. About indefinite article, if we are speaking about the particular thing, object or person, we are using the definite article the. I hope, children, you understood this topic, that is about articles. In your grammar book, you got more examples. So, if you go on doing that, you will be familiar with the using of articles. So, I hope you understood this unit. So, thank you so much, children.